Now we can study commutative property. This property we have studied in the case of whole numbers when in the last year. Okay. Now 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Then 5 plus 2, that is also equal to 7. Okay. That means 2 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Okay. Then negative 3 plus 4 is equal to positive 1. That means 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 and 4 is the greatest integer. The sign of 4 is positive. So we have to keep positive as the sign. Then next 4 plus negative 3 is equal to, here also 4 and negative 3. We have to subtract these two, and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 and the sign of 4 is equal to positive. So we have to keep positive sign before this 1. So we can write negative 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus negative 3. That is equal to positive 1. Then negative 5 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 8. We have to add these two and keep negative before this 8. So next negative 3 plus negative 5 is also equal to negative 8. That means negative 5 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 3 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 8. That means we can add integers in any order. Okay, first number we can add with the second number we can add in any order. That is 1 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Both are equal. Clear? If A and B are any two integers, then we can add A plus B and B plus A. A and B can receive any value. Okay, these two are variables and representing integers. That means A plus B is equal to B plus A is equal to C or A or B. And maybe same integer itself sometimes. That means A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay, so we can say we can add integers in any order. This property is known as commutative property of addition of integers. We can add integers in any order. Now we can check commutative property of integers in case of subtraction. Then all numbers are integers, no? Whole numbers are integers. Then 1 minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2. So we have to write negative 1 as the answer. Then what about 2 minus 1? That is equal to positive 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 we can write it as positive 1. So we can say negative 1 and positive 1 are not equal to each other. These two are not equal. That means negative 1 is less than positive 1. So we can say in case of subtraction, this 1 minus 2 is not equal to 2 minus 1. So order, in case of subtraction, order is very important. In case of whole number and in case of integers and any type of numbers. Subtraction order is very important. So the commutative property is not satisfying in case of subtraction. Okay, in case of subtraction, commutative property is not satisfying, but in case of addition, no problem, it is satisfying. Is it clear? Then one more thing, 0 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 5 itself. Okay, then negative 5 plus 0, that also equal to negative 5. So we can say when we are adding 0 with any integer, that integer itself will be the answer. That is known. So, now we can say additive identity of integers. Integers is 0. That means 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 itself. Then 0 plus negative 100. Negative 100 is the answer. So we can say when we are adding an integer with a 0, that integer itself will be the answer. So we can say additive identity is 0. Okay. So what we have studied? In case of commutative property, addition is satisfying but subtraction is not satisfying, and additive identity is 0. Clear? Thank you.